Nowadays, my Instagram feed is filled with chocolate chip cookies, so I decided to make one without an oven and with simple ingredients. So let's make my favorite single-serve, giant chocolate chip cookie. We're going to start by browning the butter. That's basically cooking butter until it changes color and turns brown. Be very careful here, make sure the butter doesn't burn. Browning the butter is totally optional, but it makes the cookie taste so much better. Trust me on this. Transfer the butter to a bowl and put it in the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes to cool down. Now add brown sugar, white sugar, vanilla essence, and a little bit of milk and whisk everything together until smooth. Strain in all-purpose flour, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Mix the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients until well combined. Now chop some chocolate of your choice. I'm using a sweet one. Mix everything well and shape it like a cookie. Add some extra chocolate on top. Now take a pan and spread a thick layer of salt at the bottom. Cover it with a lid and preheat for a few minutes. Then place the cookie inside. Try to use a thick or sturdy bowl so it doesn't burn. Cover the lid and plug the steam vent with a small piece of paper. Bake over low to medium heat for 20 minutes. Once it's done, it may look soft or breakable, but don't worry. When it cools down, it will be absolutely perfect. Now enjoy your chewy, gooey chocolate chip cookie from the screen, or just go and make it yourself. Don't forget to share how it turned out, subscribe to my channel, and stay with me.